Hi students, welcome to Easy Chemistry by Pathan, and today I am going to explain oxyacids of sulfur. In last video I explained oxyacids of phosphorus, group 15, now group 16, which are very important for competitive. Here we have two types. One is sulfurous acid series and sulfuric acid series. So if you know these two formulae, then easy to draw any structure, basicity, whatever it may be. Sulfurous acid you know very well, H2SO3. So you remember this, based on remaining you can easily. And here I am drawing the structure. See, in oxyacids of sulfur, every structure has a basic unit, that is S double bond O OH. This is the basic unit for every oxyacid of sulfur having S double bond O OH group. And see, remaining one O, one H is there. That you add here as simple. So what is the basic unit here? S double bond O OH. So remaining OH you add. This is the structure of sulfurous acid. Next, another one we have in this series, that is hyposulfurous acid. Hyposulfurous acid or disulfurous acid also we can say. How to remember formula means I am giving a trick. 2 into sulfurous acid, 2 into sulfurous acid minus H2O2. 2 into sulfurous acid minus H2O2. Then what you are getting? Formula you are getting H2S2O4. This is hyposulfurous acid. Clear? Now, structure. I told already, one sulfur is there, one double bond O, one OH. Here two sulfurs are there. That's why you go for two central atoms. Each central atom with S double bond O and OH. This is the basic unit. Basic unit. Basic unit is completed. Remaining how many hydrogens, how many oxygens are there? That we have to see. See here. 4 oxygen completed, 2 sulfur completed, 2 hydrogens. So now the bond between S and S. This is the structure. Meanwhile, we will discuss the basicity of basicity. See here how to remember basicity. Number of OH groups equal to basicity. So basicity is 2. Here number of OH groups, how many are there? 2. So basicity is 2. What is basicity? Number of replaceable H plus ions. Number of replaceable H plus ions. That is basicity. The hydrogens which are directly bonded with oxygen are ionizable or replaceable hydrogens. That's why you simply remember number of OH groups are equal to basicity. How many OH groups are there? 2. So basicity is 2. So complete information we got. Now go for another sulfurous acid series. Pyrosulfurous acid. Pyrosulfurous acid. Now how to remember pyrosulfurous acid? And one trick I am giving here, as previously I told. Simple. 2 into sulfurous acid, 2 into sulfurous acid as before we did, minus water. If you do that, you are getting pyrosulfurous acid, H2S2O5. One oxygen is more. Or you can add hyposulfurous acid plus one oxygen. 2 hyposulfurous acid, one oxygen you are adding, you are getting pyrosulfurous acid. Now I am drawing the structure. 2 sulfurs are there. So 2 sulfurs. 2 sulfurs. 2 central atoms are there. I told one double bond O group and one OH group. One OH group is the basic unit. And remaining how many left you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 oxygens completed, 2 sulfurs completed, 2 hydrogen. 1 oxygen left. So that oxygen you can give for this sulfur or this sulfur. This sulfur I am giving. And make bond between these two. Completed. So this is the easy way. Now basicity. What is the basicity? Number of OH group 1, 2. So 2 is the basicity of pyrosulfurous acid. See, very easy. When you are learning the tricky way, then all are very easy. Then the last one we have, that is thiosulfurous or thiosulfurous. Thiosulfurous acid. And how to remember thiosulfurous acid? Very easy. H2SO3, you know, sulfurous acid. Add one sulfur, remove one oxygen. What you have to do? Add one sulfur, remove one oxygen. When you are adding one sulfur, you are getting H2S2. Remove one oxygen. So then 2 oxygens. This is thiosulfurous acid. Now structure. So what I given the basic unit? Sulfur central atom, OH group. Now I told one double bond O means S double bond O, but one sulfur we added here, one oxygen we removed. So when we removed one oxygen, in that place we have to write sulfur. Instead of S double bond O, S double bond S we have to write. Remaining OH group as usual. This is the structure of thiosulfurous acid. Now how many OH groups are there here? 2 OH groups are there. So basicity is 2. Basicity is 2. Completed. This is the way to write structure, name, basicity. Next, we have sulfuric acid series. Sulfuric acid series. In sulfuric acid series, 5 to 6 acids we have. You know sulfuric acid formula, H2SO4. Let me discuss the structure. What I given? One sulfur with one OH group and one double bond O group. It is the basic unit. But this is exception for thiosulfurous acid. And remaining what we have? One more oxygen is there. You add double bond O. One more hydrogen and oxygen is there. Now you go for 2 OH groups are there. Basicity is 2. Basicity is 2. Acids having basicity. See, very easy. Clear? And we have another name for this sulfuric acid, that is we are calling oil of vitriol. Oil of vitriol. And battery acid. Battery acid. Remember, sulfuric acid we have another name, oil of vitriol, battery acid, and another name we have king of chemicals. King of chemicals. These three names you have to remember for general knowledge purpose. Oil of vitriol, battery acid, king of chemicals. Now, we'll discuss in this series different acids. Go for here. I will explain structure, how to remember name, all things together. The second one we have thiosulfuric acid, or I will go for pyrosulfuric acid. So formula don't know, no problem. I will show the trick. Sulfuric acid formula you know na, H2SO4. So write 2 into sulfuric acid, 2 into sulfuric acid minus water. 2 into sulfuric acid minus water, you are getting pyrosulfuric acid. What you are getting? H2S2O7. H2S2O7. This is we are calling disulfuric acid also. Disulfuric acid. Go for structure now. 2 sulfurs are there. Take 2 sulfurs. Each sulfur having one double bond O. Double bond O. And one OH group. One OH group. This is the basic unit. Basic unit. Remaining you count. Total 7 are there. So we can write here one O. Here one O. And one more oxygen is there here we can. Between 2 sulfurs. Between 2 sulfurs. Now you go for how many OH groups are there? 1, 2. So 2 is the basicity of this disulfuric acid. So if you know the structure, then easy. Go for another sulfuric acid series. And this time I am taking thiosulfuric acid. Thiosulfuric acid. Thiosulfuric acid name we have. Very easy. H2SO4, add one sulfur and subtract one oxygen. Then you are getting H2S2O3. As we did in thiosulfurous acid. Thiosulfurous acid. Go for structure. S double bond O. S double bond O. Bond OH. Bond OH. And here OH. And here you have tried. Here you have tried double bond OS. This is. Now how many OH groups are there? 2. So 2 is the basicity. 2 is the basicity. This is thiosulfuric acid structure. Thiosulfuric acid structure. And we'll discuss few more in this series. And the fourth one I am giving to you. Peroxymonosulfuric acid. Peroxymonosulfuric acid. Very important. Peroxy group. Very simple. Take H2SO4. Add one oxygen. You will get peroxysulfuric acid. H2SO5. This is peroxymonosulfuric acid. And we have the structure now. One sulfur only, no problem. One central atom. double bond O, and here one OH group, basic unit, and remaining another oxygen is there, 5 oxygen, so you can go for here one more oxygen, and another oxygen is there, you can add one more oxygen, clear. Total 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 oxygens we have. 4 oxygens. And here one sulfur completed. One more hydrogen is there. One more hydrogen. So here one OH. So 1, 2. 2 hydrogens, 1 sulfur, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 completed. Now how many OH groups are there? 1, 2. So 2 is the basicity. 2 is the basicity. So along with the basic unit, you can draw structure easily. Here one thing you have to remember, peroxymonosulfuric acid, well known as Carros acid. Remember, Carros acid, very important for competitive concern. Carros is the scientist name who prepared this acid. Carros acid, clear. Go for another one in this family. Peroxo disulfuric acid. Disulfuric acid. Previously we did peroxo monosulfuric acid. Now peroxo disulfuric acid. Let me discuss the structure. How to remember formula. Go for take peroxo monosulfuric acid, multiply with 2, remove H2O2, and you are getting H2S2O8. H2S2O8. This is peroxo disulfuric acid. This is the trick. Now 2 sulfurs are there, 2 central atoms. 2 central atoms. And each one basic unit we have double bond O, H. Double bond O, OH. Basic unit. And remaining we have to add according to their valency. Now we have 8 oxygen. So here we can add 1 and here we can add. Clear? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total how many we have? 6. Remaining 2 are there. So here we can go for 2. In between 2 sulfurs, 2 oxygen. This is the peroxy bond. Now how many OH groups are there here? 2. So 2 is the basicity. 2 is the basicity. And this acid have another name, that is Marshall's acid. Marshall's acids. So remember this common name, Marshall's acid. Peroxo monosulfuric acid, Carros acid, and peroxo disulfuric acid is Marshall's acid. Marshall's acid. Clear? And one we have last one, that is dithionic acid. Dithionic acid. How to remember? Very easy. Go for sulfuric acid. 2 into sulfuric acid. 2 into sulfuric acid minus H2O2. Then you are getting H2S2O6. This is we are calling thionic acid. That is a dithionic acid. Dithionic acid. Clear? What you are getting? Dithionic acid. Structure you know very well. Two sulfurs are there. Take two sulfurs. Each one having double bond O, OH. Double bond O, OH. And here double bond O, OH group. Basic unit is completed. Remaining two more oxygens are there. Take here one oxygen, here one oxygen. Now all are completed and bond between sulfur and sulfur. Two OH groups are there now. So basicity is 2. Basicity is 2. And this is the system to draw the structures and how to remember formulae. No need to by heart. This 2 into sulfuric acid minus water you are getting pyrosulfuric acid, and to the sulfuric acid add one sulfur, remove one oxygen, thiosulfuric acid you are getting, and same. So this is the tricky way to learn all sulfuric acid, sulfurous acid, oxyacids, names as well as structure and their basicity. So still if you need anything, please make a comment and accordingly I will prepare the videos, and I think it will be useful. And if you like my video, please share with your friends and they will also get benefit, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.